And I don't want to always buy things from here. I want to buy stuff from the States. And one of the things I've noticed recently is that there are a lot more places that do ship internationally. I used to be that there weren't very many places at all. There were a couple stores, I think, Victoria's Secret shipped, and I know J. Crew shipped, but you know, some other places might get you stuff depending if you pay a really huge fee for it. But lately I was a little annoyed because J. Crew changed their policy, and I don't know if you happen to be a shopper with them or not, but I was pretty annoyed because it used to be that you could buy stuff with the US dollar pricing, with the US credit card in US dollars, and then they'd ship it to you here in Japan, which was awesome because you could still get good deals, good sales, all those things. But just recently they changed their system, and they're trying to be cool and be all, ooh, we can ship all over the world, which is great for people, I'm sure, everywhere else, because it used to be seriously just US, Canada, and Japan, and that was it. So I was lucky that I lived here and not some other foreign country, but now their new way is supposed to be really cool, but the downside is, at least on the Japan end, that now you can only buy things in the Japanese pricing. And of course, it's not a direct conversion of US pricing. They changed the pricing on their items so that they're much more expensive because it's for the Japanese market. And so, you know, what originally seems like a really good thing, because it's like, oh, they ship here and it's going to be so fast, and they're doing a promotion where they're offering free shipping now, and I thought, oh, that's really cool. But actually, it's evil trickery because they've changed everything and made it more expensive. And it's just one of the many things I'm always so frustrated about living here, is that people from these companies think that they can literally double or triple their prices because Japanese consumers supposedly have so much more money. They don't, but the thing is that those kinds of brands from the States sell, they're popular, and so they can, because of the demand, they can make the price higher. You want to buy a Coach bag, it's easily double the price here. You would never buy a bag here. If you have any chance or reason to be able to buy it in the States or have a friend buy it for you, you'd be ridiculously stupid to buy it here. You go to the outlet stores here and the pricing is still more expensive than the regular priced stores in the States. Brands like that can be really frustrating, and I think that goes for all other brands, European brands as well. It's always ridiculously overpriced. Stuff that you're used to and you think, oh, this is, you know, I used to go to the Gap and it's cool and they have a good price. Yeah, no, it's going to be insanely expensive here. And that can be frustrating if you are, you know, just living here for a short time, or if you are new to living in Japan, you find that to be surprising sometimes if you're used to, you know, kind of finding a good deal on something that you used to get back home and you think, oh, there it is here, but it's not. So, but I'd be curious if you guys have any experiences like that where, you know, you really liked something and, you know, you were in a foreign country and you got your hands on it and it was ridiculously overpriced. Of course, things like, you know, I'm trying to think of a good example of some other stuff, but some foods are like that too. You know, you find M&Ms and stuff. You'll finally be able to get your hands on them, but they'll be, you know, twice as much as they should be. That kind of thing is pretty common, of course. You just kind of get used to it. And with the way the U.S. Post Office has changed and they don't ship things by surface anymore to international destinations. It's only airmail. You know, having your friends and family ship you things from the States has now become ridiculously overpriced too, and so you're kind of just stuck having to deal with the high prices. So